children, Sai Ram. Welcome back in the maths session. I hope children you all must have started learning maths. I hope you all are studying for the exam. As you all exams are there, first semester exams are there in the month of October. So children, in today's session we are going to start with the revision. I hope you all are ready. Okay children, let's start. Now we will start with Roman 1. Choose the correct alternatives. Here options will be given to you. You have to choose the correct answer. Now here children you can see number 1. Write the number that comes after 149. Who will tell me which number will come after 149? Options are 150. Option B is 148. And what is the correct answer children? Yes, the correct answer is 150. Very good. Okay children, so here I will put a tick mark for your understanding. Okay, now let's see number 2. Write the number that comes before 180. And the options are 178. Option B 179. Can you all tell me the correct answer? Yes, I know you all are studying and you all are very smart. And the correct answer is 179. Very good. Okay children, so here I will put a tick mark in front of the correct answer. I hope you all are understanding. Now let's see the next. Now children, number 3. 3 sevens are, it's a table of 3. 3 sevens are. Options are 21, 24. And the correct answer is, yes, option A 21. So I will put a tick mark here on 21. Now question 4. How many days are there in a week? What is the day today children? Yes, Monday. So children, can you all tell me how many days are there in a week? 1 or 7? Yes, and the correct answer is option B 7. So here I will put a tick mark. Got it children? I hope you all are understanding. Now question 5. The number name of 150 is. See here, option A and option B. We have given here only number 150 and you have to select the correct spelling of 150. The number name of 150 is, and the correct spelling is ONEHUNDRED and FIFTY 50. Am I correct children? Okay, so correct answer is 150. Now let's see the next question. Question number 6. Write the number that comes after 178. And the options are 177, 179. And the correct answer is, yes, who is going to tell me? And the answer is 179. Now, see question number 7. Write the number that comes before 165. And the options are 164, 162. And children, the correct answer is 164. Very good. Now, question number 8. 2 8s are, options are 16, 14. Can you all tell me what is the correct answer? 16, 14. Can you all tell me what is the correct answer? Yes, and the correct answer is 16. So children, here we will put a tick mark on number 16. Now see question number 9. How many legs does a table have? Have you seen table, children? Do you know how many legs does a table have? 8 or 4? And the correct answer is yes, 4. Now question 10. The number name of 130 is, and the correct spelling is ONEHUNDRED and THIRTY 30. 130, option A. So here we will put a tick mark on option A. Now children, we will begin with the Roman number 2. State whether true or false. Statement will be given. You have to think and choose true or false. Now number 1. 2 6 are. 2 6 are 12. The statement is true or false? Is it true, children, or false? Yes, 2 6 are 12. So the answer is option A, true. So here I will put a tick mark. Now number 2. The number name of 160 is 130. Is it correct, children? No. So the answer is false. So here we will put a tick mark on false. Now see question number 3. The number that comes after 120 is 121. Which number comes after 120, children? Yes, the correct answer is 121. So the given statement is true. So we will put tick mark here on A. Number 4. 0 is written as 0. Is it correct, children? Yes. So here also we will put tick mark on true. Now see question 5. 3 3s are 12. Option A, true. Option B, false. Is it correct, children? No. So the answer is Option B, false. Now question 6. 2 sevens are 14. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Now question number 7. The number name of 168 is 158. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. So we will put a tick mark on option B, false. Now question 8. The number that comes after 181 is 182. Is it correct, children? Yes, it is correct. So the option is true. Now see question number 9. A bicycle has 4 wheels. It has 4 wheels or 2 wheels. As we all know, children, we all love to ride on a bicycle. So what is the correct answer? Yes, option A, true, or option B, false. The given statement is false. So we will put a tick mark on option B, false. Now question number 10. 3 twos are 6. Option A, true. Option B, false. Can you tell me, children? Is it correct or false? Is it true or false? Yes, the answer is true. So I will put a tick mark on true. I hope, children, you all are understanding. This type of questions will be asked in the exam. Now, once we are going to revise table of 2 and table of 3. All will say with me. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Now table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Now, children, as your exams are there in the month of October, first semester exams, so you are going to study well. How I have given you revision, similarly you are going to study at home. I hope you all will listen to the teacher and you all will study well. Now, children, remaining revision we are going to see in the next period. Okay, children? Thank you so much and all the best for your studies.